This is a beautiful shower head. Welcome to the review. Today we are doing a review of this handheld shower head. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This beautiful polished chrome shower head has so many options. There are 9 modes, including a cleaning mode that shoots high pressure water out of the top of the shower head, which makes cleaning your shower so much easier. So straight out of the box, you're going to get the shower head, the hose, everything you will need to easily install this. Installation was pretty straightforward. Everything connected as it should, and we had no issues with leaks. Once installed, it looked absolutely beautiful. The polished chrome color sure does sparkle. And look at the hose on this. It has a really nice extra long hose to make cleaning your shower even easier. The bracket is adjustable. You can tilt the head back and forth, or you can pull it out and use it as a shower wand. There are 9 different settings on the shower head, so everyone will find one that they will be happy with. This is a great shower head, and again, I love the long hose on this and this polished chrome color. It will make a great replacement or upgrade to one in your home.